Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're taking a close look at the ASUS Vivobook S15 laptop. This sleek, high-performance device packs some serious power under the hood, designed for users who need a combination of speed, portability, and a stunning visual experience. Let's see if this laptop truly delivers on its promises. The ASUS Vivobook S15 comes equipped with Qualcomm's cutting-edge Snapdragon X Elite 12-core processor, a chip designed for multitasking and intensive workflows. The impressive AI engine, capable of processing up to 45 TOPS, promises intelligent on-device performance, which means you can rely on this laptop to handle demanding tasks like photo editing, video calls, and even light gaming with ease. Paired with 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, this machine is built for multitasking, allowing you to switch between applications without slowdowns. Whether you're editing a spreadsheet, streaming a movie, or running a few browser tabs, the performance remains smooth. When it comes to storage, the 1 TB SSD ensures you have plenty of room for all your files and software, while also offering rapid read and write speeds, which translate into faster boot times and quick access to your files. The SSD also makes this laptop feel snappy, whether you're launching programs or switching between tasks. No more waiting around for loading screens or lag. One of the standout features of the Vivobook S15 is its 15.6-inch 3K OLED display. With a resolution of 2880 by 1620 and a 120 Hz refresh rate, the screen delivers vivid, sharp images that pop with colors thanks to the 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. This makes it ideal for content creators, such as photographers or video editors, who require accurate colors. The ultra-fast 0.2 milliseconds response time is also a game-changer for gamers, offering smooth visuals with minimal motion blur. The OLED tech delivers deep blacks and bright highlights, making streaming and media consumption an immersive experience. Despite the impressive specs, the Vivobook S15 keeps things remarkably thin and light. At just 0.63 inches thick and weighing 3.13 pounds, it's easy to carry around, making it a solid choice for students or professionals who are constantly on the move. Now, let's talk about the keyboard and trackpad. The laptop features an ergonomic single-zone RGB keyboard with customizable backlighting, allowing you to adjust the brightness and color to your preference. Whether you're typing up notes or engaging in long work sessions, the keys provide a comfortable, tactile feel. The trackpad is responsive and precise, with excellent palm rejection, making navigation smooth and easy. In terms of ports and connectivity, the Vivobook S15 is well equipped for most users. It includes 2 USB 4.0 Type-C ports with display and power delivery support, 2 USB 3.2 Type-A ports, an HDMI 2.1 port, a micro SD card reader, and a 3.5mm audio jack. This range of ports ensures you're covered for everything from connecting external monitors to transferring files quickly. The Wi-Fi and Bluetooth standards are up to date, ensuring a stable and fast connection. Performance-wise, the Vivobook S15 handles office productivity tasks with ease. You can open multiple browser tabs, juggle Word documents, and participate in video calls without any noticeable lag. For content creators, the fast storage, powerful CPU, and vibrant display make it a great choice for light photo editing or video work. If you're into gaming, you can expect smooth performance at medium settings for popular titles like Fortnite or Valorant. However, for more graphically demanding games like Cyberpunk 2077, you might need to dial down the settings to achieve smooth gameplay. It's not built for hardcore gaming, but for casual gamers, it's more than enough. Speaking of performance, the thermals on this laptop are generally solid. Under light tasks like word processing or web browsing, it remains cool and quiet, which is a big plus for those who like to use their laptops in coffee shops or libraries. During more demanding tasks like gaming or video rendering, you might notice the fans kicking in, but they're not overwhelmingly loud. The laptop does get warm under load, especially around the keyboard area, but it never becomes uncomfortably hot. Now let's discuss battery life. With its 3-cell 70-watt-hour battery, the Vivobook S15 offers solid longevity for everyday tasks. Expect around 8 to 10 hours of use with moderate activities like web browsing and video streaming. If you're pushing it with more demanding workloads, such as content creation or gaming, expect closer to 5 to 6 hours. The charging speed is reasonable, with the laptop reaching around 50% charge in about 30 minutes, which is great for quick top-ups during a busy day. In terms of portability, this laptop is a winner. The slim profile and light weight make it easy to slide into a backpack, and it's not too bulky to carry around all day. The power brick is also fairly compact, so it won't take up too much space in your bag. When it comes to build quality, the Vivobook S15 has a solid, premium feel. The plastic body is well constructed, and while it doesn't have the same metal finish as some of its more expensive competitors, it's still durable. The hinge feels robust, and there's little to no flex when you're typing or using the laptop in your lap. Now, let's take a quick look at the pros and cons of this laptop. On the plus side, the performance is solid across the board, from everyday office tasks to light content creation and casual gaming. The OLED display is outstanding, offering vibrant, sharp visuals, and the overall portability is excellent. The keyboard is comfortable, and the connectivity options are varied, ensuring you can hook up most peripherals you need. On the downside, the laptop's GPU isn't suited for demanding gaming or intensive 3D work. While the thermals are decent, it does get warm under heavy loads, and there's a slight fan noise that could be annoying during extended sessions. The battery life could be better, especially for power users, but it's acceptable for most casual users. Is this laptop worth the price? At its current price point, the Vivobook S15 offers a strong value proposition, especially if you're looking for a portable, high-performing laptop with an outstanding display. If you're a student, office worker, or content creator who doesn't need a high-end GPU, this is a great option. However, if you're a gamer or need more graphics power, you might want to look elsewhere. For comparisons, the Acer Swift 3 and HP Pavilion X360 are both similar in price and features. However, the Vivobook S15 wins in terms of display quality and portability, while the Acer Swift 3 might offer slightly better CPU performance in a similar price range. To wrap it up, the ASUS Vivobook S15 is a solid all-rounder that brings together great performance, an exceptional OLED display, and a slim, portable design. It's ideal for students, office workers, and casual content creators. If you're looking for a laptop that's easy to carry, works smoothly for everyday tasks, and looks great, this could be the one for you. Thanks for watching. You can find the link to purchase this laptop in the comments box below. If you have any questions, or if you already own this laptop, feel free to drop a comment and share your thoughts. Until next time, keep it real with Reviews Inside TV, and happy laptop hunting!